Hi, I'm Tori from BMPRO and this is the ChargeMonitorMax, which is a 500 amp battery monitor. Inside the box we have the display cable, the shunt and the positive battery cable, which provides power to the system. Once your cables and shunt are all installed, the screen is a simple plug-in to the data cable that's provided, and as soon as it's plugged in, the power will come up and it'll show all the battery readings. Keep in mind that there are default values that are set in this that you'll need to go through and change depending on your application. From the home screen here, you've got your battery state of charge indicator, your battery capacity indication based on what you've got set as your battery capacity, your time remaining, the voltage of the battery, the current, which is either positive or negative depending on the symbol at the start here, and also the power that's been used as well. If you press the up or the down button from the home screen, you can adjust the brightness of the backlight. From the home screen, by pressing and holding the OK button, you can enter the settings menu, which is where you can set your battery capacity, keeping in mind that this needs to be the effective battery capacity, which might not be the rated capacity, as you don't want to completely discharge your batteries. You can also set the full voltage limit and 0 voltage limit, which will automatically set the battery state of charge to either 100% or 0% based on when it hits that voltage level. You can turn the shunt system off by selecting the power off voltage, so when it gets to a certain voltage, usually a low voltage, it will effectively turn this system off so it doesn't continue to draw power. If you continue to scroll down, you can set an alarm when the battery reaches a certain level, and also battery attenuation, which is the rate that the battery capacity decreases with every charge and discharge cycle. You can exit the menu and go back to the home screen by selecting the back button at the top. So that's the ChargeMonitorMax, suitable for installations on any chemistry batteries. If you've got any more questions, feel free to reach out to us or visit our website.